Hi guys! Good morning sa inyo. Ako si Lance Lawrence Guzman, BSed Social Studies. Ayan, yung time na sayas ako last year. Ayan, sa Dumagat. At yan, gusto ko maging abogado balang araw. So ngayon ay tatalakayin natin sa Title 1 ang about sa diorama tungkol sa Great Wall of China. Ayan, bago ang lahat, ating didiscuss ano ba yung kasaysayan ng Great Wall of China at ang kanyang kontribusyon. The Great Wall of China, one of the world's most iconic structures, stretches over 13,000 miles, winding through mountains, deserts, and plains. It was built to protect China from northern invaders, particularly the nomadic tribes like the Mongols. The earliest walls date back to the 7th century BCE during the Warring States period. However, the most famous parts of the wall was constructed much later during the Ming Dynasty between the 14th and 17th centuries. Emperor Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of unified China, is credited with connecting several smaller walls into a larger defense system in the 3rd century BCE. His purpose was to fend off the Xinqiu tribes from the north. Thousands of workers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners, were forced to labor on the wall under harsh conditions. The wall was just a physical barrier. Watchtowers and signal systems allowed soldiers to communicate swiftly across vast distances. Fires or smoke signals could alert the entire defense system in the case of an attack. Though it was never fully impenetrable, the wall served its purpose for centuries, offering protection and controlling immigration and trade. In time, it also became a symbol of China's strength and resilience. Today, the Great Wall stands as a reminder of China's long and complex history, and recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracts millions of visitors from around the globe. The Great Wall, thought whether by time, remain a testament to the determination and unity of ancient China.